Yo, so today I was just driving around here in the truck and I felt it was terrible boring, so I decided to add a new bike to the collection. What is it? 2015 CRF 110. A little bit of grass in the pegs. That's all because of me though. A little bit of scratches. It was pretty mint before when I bought it, maybe like 2 hours ago. But now I looped it about 3 times, so it has that defect. That one is pretty in. Can't really see it. So yeah, 2015. I didn't know how many hours on it. 4-speed, no clutch. Battery dead. No light fucking for the gas, but first kick, and she's mint. Idle's a little bit high, but better than a little bit too low. Yeah. Do a little drive test. Kickstand. Sounds mint. Another trail. Might take that later. So yeah, now, like the other one said, that's in the videos, the more popular one than me. I'm in Quebec right now working. So I just kind of bought this as an impulsive buy. Because I have 2 dirt bikes in Gaspé, but I don't have any dirt bikes here. So might as well buy a dirt bike here.